AI agents are about to start paying each other. Without banks, without humans, without permission. Stripe just integrated it. Google is building with it. Amazon is supporting it. This isn't a crypto trend. It's an infrastructure shift. And if you understand it early, you position yourself before the volume hits. What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Preyo Promo, where we break down crypto, AI, and macro shifts with real analysis, not hype. Today, we're diving deep into x402, the protocol quietly building the payment rails for the autonomous internet. Part 1. The bigger picture. The internet is evolving. Before we talk about x402, you need to understand the macro shift happening right now. The internet started as information. Then it became social. Then it became platform-driven and ad-monetized. Now we're entering the fourth phase. Autonomous value exchange. AI agents are no longer experimental. They're writing code, managing portfolios, booking travel, automating workflows. But here's the problem. They can think. They can execute. But they cannot transact independently at scale. Yet, x402 solves that. And that changes everything. Part 2. What x402 actually is. Let's simplify this without dumbing it down. Traditional web servers use HTTP status codes. One of them is 402, payment required. It was reserved but never truly implemented. x402 modernizes it. Instead of rejecting access, the server responds, payment required. Here's the wallet. Send funds. The payment happens using USDC, settled on chain in seconds. No API keys, no login forms, no subscriptions, no middlemen. Just request micropayment access. It embeds programmable money into the internet's core communication layer. That's infrastructure-level innovation. Part 3. Why this is a game changer. Let's talk friction. Current payment rails. Credit cards take 2 to 3%. Settlements take days. Chargebacks exist. Human approval required. AI agents operating 24/7 cannot depend on that. They need instant settlement, low fees, machine compatibility, borderless access. Blockchain-based stablecoin settlement solves that. Microtransactions of $0.00 become viable. This unlocks entirely new business models. Paper API call, paper compute second, paper data query. This is the Internet of Value becoming real. Part 4. Stripe's integration. Follow the smart money. When Stripe integrates something, it's not speculation. Stripe processes over $1 trillion annually. Their move signals, developer demand, institutional experimentation, long-term infrastructure alignment. Stripe isn't chasing narratives. They build decade-long rails. If Stripe is positioning for AI-to-AI payments, that's a serious signal. If you're getting real value from this breakdown, hit that like button. It helps push serious crypto analysis to the right audience. And if you want more infrastructure-level insights before they go mainstream, make sure you're subscribed to Preyo Promo. All right, now let's get into where the real opportunity is. Part 5. Cloud giants positioning early. Now let's talk scale. Google building agent protocols using x402 means cloud-native automation. Amazon Web Services supporting the framework means enterprise-level experimentation. Think about this. If AI agents are consuming compute from cloud providers, and those agents pay automatically via stablecoins, Cloud plus blockchain merge. This is Web 2 infrastructure integrating Web 3 rails. That's how adoption really happens. Part 6. Solana's positioning. Micropayments require speed and low cost. That's where Solana enters the conversation. High throughput, low latency, minimal fees. If millions of AI agents start transacting simultaneously, slow chains won't survive that load. Solana is optimized for this type of environment. That's why developers are watching it closely. Part 7. Ethereum and the identity layer. Now let's not ignore the king. Ethereum remains the dominant smart contract platform. While Solana may handle microtransactions efficiently, Ethereum could dominate identity standards, smart contract security, institutional adoption. AI agents will require identity verification and compliance layers. Ethereum's ecosystem is already positioned there. Different chains, different roles. Part 8. Chainlink and data integrity. AI agents cannot operate on blind data. They need verified inputs. That's where Chainlink becomes critical. Chainlink connects real-world data, smart contracts, automated triggers, If an AI agent is executing payments based on stock prices, weather data, or market feeds, data integrity matters. Oracles are foundational to the autonomous economy. Part 9. The fuel, stablecoins, and Base. Let's talk liquidity. X402 transactions primarily use USDC. Stablecoins are becoming digital dollars for the internet. Every AI transaction increases stablecoin velocity. Now layer that with Base, Coinbase's Layer 2 ecosystem. If X402 adoption scales, Base benefits from transaction flow, developer onboarding, institutional trust. Infrastructure adoption drives ecosystem growth. Part 10. Risks, version 3, and long-term outlook. Now let's stay intelligent. Risks: regulatory constraints on stablecoins, smart contract exploits, overvaluation cycles, competing standards. But here's the bullish thesis. If AI agents become mainstream, they require wallets, settlement rails, identity layers, data feeds. X402 is attempting to standardize payment logic at the protocol level. If version 3 improves multi-chain compatibility and compliance layers, institutional adoption accelerates. This becomes less of a crypto story and more of an internet infrastructure story. Here's the bottom line. X402 isn't a meme. It's not a pump narrative. It's not a short-term hype cycle. It's infrastructure. And infrastructure plays out slowly until suddenly it doesn't. If AI agents are the future workforce of the internet, they need payment rails. And early positioning in infrastructure narratives has historically produced asymmetric returns. If this breakdown gave you clarity, hit that like button. Subscribe to Preyo Promo if you want macro-level crypto analysis without the noise. Drop your thoughts below. Is the autonomous agent economy inevitable? Or are we still too early? Stay sharp, stay strategic, and I'll see you in the next one. Preyo Promo.